What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games, starting to push up a little bit, sitting at 0.02497, up 11% on the day. Same market cap 632 million, 24-hour volume 159 million. So let's hop into the charts. As you can see, we're starting to get a nice bounce. I did give a trade signal in the Discord. I took away the entry, so it's just not there for everyone. It's for my private members for 10 bucks a month. So I think the higher likelihood is we push up in the 345 and see continuation to the upside. The wave 3 target is 0.033. We did break down from our wedge here, but we never broke that wick low. So I do think there's a good chance that we just continue up from here. More confirmation with the break of the wave 1 high at 0.0260. Looking at our next chart, I talked about us breaking this resistance. If we flip it as support, that's bullish, and that's exactly what we did. We came back, we held it as support, and we're currently seeing a bounce. So the higher likelihood, in my opinion, is continuation up to our take profit 2, take profit 3. So right now we have 2 Gala trades ongoing. Signals were given in the Discord for 10 bucks a month. As you can see, we bounced right off the 20 EMA. So I do think the higher likelihood is to push a little bit higher. We are starting to create a bearish divergence on the daily chart, so do watch that. So that's what I'm looking for, confirmation with the break of the wave 1 high. If we roll over and we break that low, then we could see a larger correction. I think that's a less probable scenario, but anything can happen. But as of right now, I think the higher probability is upside continuation, especially if BTC is going to put in a higher high, which I think it will. Then Gala should potentially shoot up, as it is one of the strongest movers in the last few weeks. All right, gang, so my signals are 10 bucks a month. Make sure to sign up to BitConnect. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. My Discord is 10 bucks a month. You get daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. As I mentioned, I just gave another signal for Gala, crypto news. Members like to post their profits. As you can see, he's crushing it. Posted this one today, up 319% on Gala Games. How to all plays. Forex signals, we just entered silver. It's already up 1,300 pips. So not only we're trading crypto, but as well as Forex for $10. You spend $10 every single day. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new. Go check out all the links down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.